Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is February 18th, 2023, and I'm going to discuss gold and silver. Let's start with gold. As expected, gold continued decline and overall lost 1.5% on a week. After a sharp reversal in the first days of the month, gold has been declining within a falling wedge formation, which is usually a bullish pattern. Towards the end of the passing week, gold started to demonstrate some signs of strength and hinted that it was getting ready for a reversal. However, I am not convinced that the bottom is in place. Senior gold miners GDX lost 4% on a week, while gold declined 1.5%. If Friday's low at $1,818 was a bottom, then why we didn't witness a jump in the gold miners? In fact, gold gained 0.3% on Friday, while GDX lost nearly 1%. Given this, I believe we could still witness further downside next week. I think early next week, gold will try to break out from the falling wedge towards $1,850, $1,855 level. However, given that in most of the cases, first breakout turns out to be a false one, it is likely to turn down and produce a final capitulation sell-off next week. Let's zoom out in order to try to identify the potential support range for gold. The metal could bottom anywhere from $1,808 to $1,787, which is 2022 August and November tops respectively. Surely gold could never reach or even exceed this range, but I am discussing here the highest probability scenario. Next week, we need to closely watch miners. Sudden 4 to 6% jump in GDX could be a sign that gold bottomed. The metal could also be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. If 2022 May low at 1787 was a left shoulder, a triple bottom is ahead of the formation, then gold could be presently forming a right shoulder. Once gold completes the right shoulder, which I believe will likely happen next week, we should witness a sharp advance towards $2,000 mark during March. The move will be very quick, and this time gold miners should participate in the rally to a full extent. Let's have a quick look at the silver. The metal is finalizing decline and should bottom together with gold sometime next week. It could produce a slight push higher and then form as well a final capitulation sell-off by testing $21 level and then reversing sharply higher. In a big picture, silver is setting up for a breakout from a 3-year giant bull flag. So if silver bottoms around $21 level, then next move should take it to $26 to $27 level, which represents 25 to 30% advance. So all in all, precious metals are extremely close to put in place a bottom, and my guess is that it will happen sometimes during the next week. However, nothing is certain in the markets, so let's continue watching. This is it for today. Stay well and enjoy the weekend. Please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes.